Embark on the exciting first semester of your Master of Science in Nursing, starting with 4 major subjects. 1. Academic writing, where you'll polish your ability to communicate scholarly ideas with precision. It's all about structuring essays, research papers, and articulating your ideas effectively. 2. Research methodology, the art of scientific inquiry. This is your guide to formulating research questions and data collection methods, setting you up to conduct comprehensive nursing studies. 3. Theoretical basis of nursing, a deep dive into the philosophies that guide nursing practice. Here, you'll explore a range of nursing theories and develop your critical thinking skills in patient care. 4. Biostatistics in healthcare, your toolkit for analyzing health-related data. Learn how to interpret research findings and make evidence-based decisions with statistical confidence. These 4 subjects form the foundation of your Master of Science in Nursing. Embrace the challenges, relish the learning journey, knowing that each subject contributes to your evolution as a proficient nursing professional. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of a nursing master's. #nursing masters, #education journey.